In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule an email on Gmail. So as you see, I have my email up here. So let's go ahead and create a new email. So let's go over here to the left-hand side and hit compose. And I'm just going to pick a random email here. Doesn't really need a subject for this example. Let's just type in an email. Hello or hi. Are you there today? So once you have your email set and everything like that, what you typically would do is go down to the bottom and just hit send. But there's a little drop down arrow here. So let's go ahead and hit the drop down arrow here. And then we can go ahead and choose schedule send. So what that's going to do is it's going to give us some templated options and things like that. But what you can do is just go ahead and pick a random date and time. So go ahead and pick a random date and time. So let's just do this for Monday at, let's say, 6 o'clock, or 6 o'clock is fine. And what we can do is go ahead and hit schedule send. And then if you want to go check that email or see where it is, all you have to do is under your inbox and some of your other options here, you want to go to where it says scheduled. Go ahead and click that, and then you'll be able to find that option. So as you see here, this is the email that we just scheduled, and that's it. It's super simple and super easy to schedule emails in your Gmail.